These are the viral crossbody bags that you have been seeing everywhere, and this is gonna be my honest review, and I'm also gonna show you guys everything that actually fits inside these bags. Are they worth the hype? We're gonna find out. I'm always busy and on the go, and this is the bag that I always bring with me because it just fits everything. So I'm gonna show you exactly how I use this and why it's gonna replace every single bag that you currently own. The first thing that I wanna mention is how comfortable this strap is, and that I love that it's got an adjustable strap so that I can wear it higher up on my hip. I know everybody has their own personal preference, so it's really nice that this bag has the adjustable strap so that you can customize it to how you want. Let me just show you how easy it is to adjust the strap, and this is perfect for me because being a mom of 3 girls, I need my hands to be free, so it's super nice to not have to have a bag that I need to hold onto my shoulder. I can do everything that I need to do, chase after the kids, help them at the park or whatever, and my hands are free, and I can still have my bag comfortably sitting on my hip with everything that I need for my 3 girls. So if this actually fits everything that I need as a mom, then this will definitely replace my usual everyday bag. Let's see everything that this fits in here. So the bag has 3 compartments. So I'm going to show you everything that it fits in here that I need as a busy mom. So first of all, the back pocket, I always keep my phone and I keep my car keys. Easily accessible. I know where it is at all times, so that's my favorite, to keep the stuff that I really need to get a hold of quickly. Then there's 2 compartments at the front. This lower compartment, I always keep my lip glosses, and I'm a lip gloss girl, so I have a lot. I also have some sanitary wipes as well. I'm gonna keep pulling stuff out. Next, we have this big pocket here, and this is where I keep the majority of the stuff for myself and my kids. So obviously I have my wallet, which is also by Emmafy, and it matches, which is super cute. And I love that you can customize your bag and the wallet with these cute charms. I also have a ton of snacks for my kids. More snacks, more snacks. I have sunglasses for my daughter. And last but not least, my daughter's water bottle. That was everything that was in my bag, and I still had a ton of room. Now for the ultimate test was to see if this bag can actually fit a gallon of milk. This is crazy. And it can. This literally just came out of here and there was still room. This is a 2-liter carton of milk that fit into this bag. Blows my mind. Another thing I noticed about the bag is how thick and good quality these zippers are. A lot of times in purses you get these flimsy little zippers and they always get stuck and they never zip or they break. This is very good quality. Like I said, I use this bag all the time. I'm pretty rough with it. I am not a gentle person, especially when I'm rushing with my kids somewhere. So this just works so beautifully. So not only is it a gorgeous pattern, but it's very practical because the zippers are so durable. The material is nylon and it is waterproof, which is so important if you're a mom, because as you guys probably know, you get lots of stains. I get lipstick stains on these sometimes, or my kids will spill their snacks. So it's really nice to have a fabric that I can wash and it comes out super clean and I don't have to worry about wrecking it or anything because it's that durable nylon quality. So I love that. I'm just gonna show you one of their other most popular options. These ones tend to sell out super fast because I mean, look how gorgeous this is. This is a leather material and it is just beautiful, but I just wanted to showcase the bag and how many compartments there are. So there's this inner compartment right here that has this also very durable zipper. I tend to put some feminine hygiene products in here because I like that it's concealed and it's hidden. As you can see, the inside is that same kind of nylon fabric, so it is super washable, and like there's tons of space in here to fit everything. I mean, you guys saw it fits a gallon of milk. It fits everything you could possibly need as a mom. Again, the super durable zippers. And I also want to mention how amazing this handle is, because I hate when you have just a dinky little zipper and I'm always trying to find it to unzip the bag if I'm in a hurry, but this makes it so easy just to grab on, pull, and zip it open. So here's the other front pocket that you saw where I had all my lip glosses, my sanitary wipes, and everything in there. And then here is the back pocket that fits so much stuff too. It's actually deceiving, this bag, how much stuff really fits inside, but I just wanted to give you another option to show you how pretty this bag is. Emmafy also has a ton of limited edition patterns such as this one. I mean, how gorgeous is this? They have a ton of different checkered styles. So mine has the pink, they have red and pink, they have this beautiful black and like a purpley pink color. And then they have a ton of the leather. So if you're more of a solid girl and tend to prefer this, they have a ton of solid colors on their website. If you like the checkered, they have a ton of different checkered styles, a wide variety of limited edition. They're constantly releasing new styles, new limited editions, so there's literally something for everybody and for everybody's style. Do I think that the Emmafy bum bag is worth it? Absolutely, you guys. Since I have discovered this bag, I have not used anything else. It has replaced my usual purse because this is just so convenient. And not only is it convenient, but I get compliments everywhere I go on this bag and all the cute accessories that come with it. So if you are looking for something that is practical, stylish, fits everything that you need as a mom, this bag does live up to the hype. If you want to get your hands on these bags, I will leave a link below to where you can purchase them, and if you use my code, you can get an extra 10% off. I do want to let you guys know that because I have so many different styles and patterns, I can personally say that they sell out really fast. So don't hesitate, because honestly, if you see one that you like, it goes like this. Especially the limited edition ones, they sell out really fast and they don't usually come back. So if you go to the website and you see something you like, grab it, because they're literally gone. Like, I will literally get a bag and then I look on the website and it's gone, because these are so popular, they've gone viral. So definitely click the link and get yours today. Make sure to like this video and send it to a friend so that they can get their hands on these awesome bags.